Hi guys, this is Dean here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to activate and show the missing Bluetooth icon in Windows 11 or 10. Welcome back. So if you want to connect into your Bluetooth devices, but as you can see the Bluetooth icon does not appear in here, and we also have problem connecting to the Bluetooth as there is no button in here to toggle, as it is the case of the Wi-Fi or the cast or the night light. So to fix this problem, all you need to do is to head on to the pen and select the plus or add in here. Good. Next hit Bluetooth, which is in here. Great. And hit done. Et voila, Bluetooth now icon has been added. Let's toggle it on and your icon appears, and now you can connect all your devices as you like. You can add Bluetooth device, show Bluetooth devices. Good. All the options are activated properly, and that's it. Hope that was helpful. And with this we have reached the end. Keep tuned for our coming tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please have them below, and subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this. See you around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com